got it. Thanks.
Sure. So you select, when you create offering, you have to select whether it's online offering or is it in person, seminar, workshop, event.
Got it.
So you go, I'm creating and selecting an online offering.
Right.
You give a title. So let's say leadership training. Right? And then you describe that offering. So some description.
No worries.
You select your category. So let's say business or workplace and teams as a category. And you select a trainer. Let's just say Doria as a trainer. You can also add a new trainer here, right? Trainer name. Some Vasu's profile details, right? Upload a picture, right? And now I can go and select Vasu as well as a second trainer. Then, describe the learning outcomes a little bit. Attendees, the target audience, who this program is for. If you have a website for that program or a landing page, you put that here. Banner image, video, introduction video for that offering, you put that, upload it here, right? Then you create your offering. So once your program is created, now you start adding your content to it.
Right.
So content is, you can different, let's say I'm creating module 1, or, if it's a book, you can go chapter 1, or if it's a multi-week program, you can go week 1.
Right.
So it's fairly generic, gives you a lot of flexibility on how you want to structure your program and what you want to call it.
Okay. So
you go week 1 content is here, and you start adding the files. Yeah.
So these are PDF.
You can add PDF, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, audio, video, pictures. Okay. So you can select multiple files, open it, and now it's uploading all the files.
So this part of it becomes like a learning management system.
Correct. Right. So your programs are uploaded. You go close. You can see all the files. If you can see those underscrolls. I don't like those underscrolls. Let's just go and remove it. So you can change the display names. Sometimes the files that we have would have this kind of names, right?
Yeah.
Not good to show it to the end user customers that way. So we can change the display name.
Yeah.
Let's say I save. So now
I change it here. Do I have to change the file name itself, the actual file name, or just change it here?
No, you just change it there, and that's what gets displayed to the customer. If you want to delete the file, you just delete it from here, right? You can, while you are building your course, you just leave it in draft. You can come back and publish it.
Right.
You can assign the trainer at the level of the modules or week as well. So you can go week 1, there is Jesse is the trainer. You can also drip feed the content. So you go drip status, yes.
Hang on. So when you say trainer, which means say this is a live online program, right?
Online program, not live one, not live program. It's a recorded material.
Okay.
Live is what you and I are talking on Zoom right now. Yeah, it won't be like that.
Yeah. So is it possible then to do like a live coaching on this?
Not yet.
That's on say Skype. Okay.
You use Skype or Zoom for that. What we will be doing in the future is live streaming.
Right.
So we will, but that's not right now. Right? You can drip feed the content, right? So you can go, I'm selecting, this content is not accessible until this start date, or this module is available only after 5 days after they register, or you can go, this is available after they complete previous modules, right? That's the whole drip feed part of it. I won't do that right now, just to keep matters simple. You go save that section. So now you have built, populated the week 1 material. Then you just go and create a week 2, right? And just add more files to it.
So on the app, what would the client see? The client will just see a link
Client will see
or
the
a
content. They
card.
will actually consume the content.
Yeah, but before they log in, they'll just see the card that's advertised
They will see the content. They will not be able to access the documents or content. They'll not be able to access unless they pay and register.
Okay, so the system takes care of it. Once they pay, register, then they can access the content.
That's right. So let's say I've added this file. I've added now. So you can basically build out your course.
Right.
Unlimited number of modules, chapters, weeks, days, whatever you want to do, you can add unlimited content here. The thing to be mindful about is
there isn't something like a Google form there, right? Like a feedback thing.
No, there's a different mechanism for it. I'll show you.
Right.
So then you have a schedule. You select a schedule, right? It's available from this date. So you go, it's available from this date and time. You go save it. And then you go, is it free or is it a one-time single payment? You will also be able to do subscription programs and eventually multiple payment as well.
Multiple payment meaning?
Multiple payment is, if you might be running 6 months training program,
right,
and every month they pay, $100 for 6 months.
So this is like either free or one time.
Correct. That's right now. We are opening up the other payment types. Subscription will be the next that we will open up. Right. Another week or so, and then multiple payment, will come sometime around June, July. Right. Okay. So let's say I'm making it free. I go save fees. Sorry, I'll go back one step. If I decide, okay, I want to have a one-time charge, you go, what's the currency? Let's go, it's in Australian dollars. I want, $100, and there is a 10% GST. You can define the tax rate for your for your country. And finally, sorry?
Can I just say, so does the app, or do you get a cut from the training, or is there a referral fee in that sense to you?
Not right now. We are not doing it right now.
Right.
Any sale you make, let's say you make $100 sale, you will pay the Stripe payment processing fee, 3%. We are not charging anything right now, but it's definitely an option available to us in the future.
Got it.
The last part of creating a program is really, your referral message. How should somebody who's sharing this program introduce this program to their friends and family? So this is where you write the copy, your marketing copy, of when they send the referral message out, this is what will go out. So this is the default. You go, okay, I'm saving it. You go review it. Before you publish, you go, this is draft here. So you need to go back and make the draft into, published draft, right? So I go publish, save. Now that week 1 is published, you can keep the week 2 as draft, no problem. Because you might want to come back and change it. You review it, referral, okay, save referral, but now you publish it. At least 1 week will get published. So I go publish, and the offering will get published. Okay, it's now content has been published. Great work. Now it's accessible on the mobile app as well as the web interface. So if I go to the web interface, sorry.
No, continue.
So if I go to the web interface, if I just want to check it out while we are here, see, this is an educator view. If I change it to learning view, right, as a learner, you see all this. You go, all right, workplace health and teams was the category that we created. This is a leadership training. So you go, okay, that's the program. This is what we just created, right? $100 were the original price, and $10 were added because that's GST I added. I have to register, and then it will take me to the, obviously this is a test mode. The customer will enter the credit card details. Let me see if I can try it.
So this is customers. This is from the customer's perspective.
This is what the customers would do. That's right.
No worries. This.
We should go back. Right. Okay. So I'm now back to the educator persona. So when somebody registers in a program, they come up as your customer list.
Okay.
So you can see,
Well, I should be prompted, right? I mean, there would be notifications, right?
Automatic email that will come to you. Okay. That somebody registered this product. And when you go back here, you will see more details. So you go, okay, well, who is this person who bought my program? You can see the profile picture and everything that they have on their profile on the mobile app.
Right.
They can see, that they purchased this program. So this offering was purchased on this date.
Right.
You can see the referrals that they might have sent.
Got it.
You can see a testimonials or reviews that they might have published. You can see a support ticket. So, in terms of communication from the app itself, they can send you support tickets like, I need help, I need support. So it comes up here, and any payments that they might have made, are listed here. So you can actually view the receipt and just resend the receipt to them.
Right. And that gets put into a holding account or into my business account.
So I'll show you. So under the settings, you go here and you go to payment. You set up your bank account details. Okay, this is your account and the bank account details. You also have to provide the identity verification documents. But whatever account you set up here, okay, what Stripe does is they process the payment, $100. And after deducting their fees, they will directly deposit the money in your account. Masterdojo doesn't see it. Right. Okay. Yeah, there is a bit of a documentation you have to provide, but that's, it happens straight away, right? Payout period is somewhere between 3 to 5 days. Here you can go and actually change.
Regardless of the,
sorry?
Regardless of the bank, right? I mean, regardless of it can be it's anywhere the bank, any bank in the world, right? It's not it's my race, my company.
As long as you can produce the identity document that you are the account owner, right? And it's the currency that we support, right? There are about 37 countries in which we, process the payments.
Got it.
So as long as it's one of those countries, and Singapore is included in that, so it's not a problem. Right. Here I'm showing you, so this is like a app view. It's gonna default Masterdojo branding. Now this is an upgrade feature, but right now we have just made it available to everyone. In the future, it will be, people have to upgrade. If you want to apply your own branding, you come here, like a custom theme, and let's say you go, you want those colors.
Right. So what? Okay.
Yeah.
So that when they click onto that particular training program, it then displays my logo, my color, everything else.
Correct. It displays your brand. That's the experience that they have. Right. Versus displaying some other brand, right? So you configure your branding here. And this is how your clients see you. They basically, because you want to give, build a big degree of familiarity and brand affinity, so you can do that. That's a bit of an upgrade feature in the future, but right now we're just making it available to people who are early adopters. And then you claim some keywords. So it automatically puts the keywords, from your profile, your business name, your names of your programs. It automatically puts those keywords. But if you want to add any other keywords, you can just add them. It helps to be found on the app.
So this is me using very amateurish, non-technical language. Whoever types whatever they're doing on my site, on my page, so called, does Google or do the search engines also pick it up?
Google doesn't pick it up yet, because we have not yet opened up the platform for Google algorithms.
Right.
But eventually we will be building.
Meaning you say it is still accessible to search engines down the road?
Yes, it will be. Yes. Okay. Down the road, yes. Right now, the use of the search terms is really for people to be able to find you easily on Masterdojo. Within the app, that's right. And then you publish, right? Once you publish, then your theme comes up. Right? Payment, I showed you. You can also do the promotion code, right? So for different products, let's say you want to do a discount, something, you can go Christmas is coming, you can go Christmas special, and the promo, you can go Christmas is, COVID 2020 as a promo code, right?
Yeah.
You can go, when does that promotion code start? So you can go, it's going to start tomorrow. And when does it end? So you go, it's going to end on 8th. What percentage discount? So you got 20% discount. How many people are allowed to use it? Well, only 10 people can use it. You save it.
Can I then place a link to this on my website? So meaning, say, if there's a backlink from my website to this one, no?
Yeah. So you can provide a link to, link to your products. So these offerings, that programs that you create,
right.
You can provide links to that. So let me show you how that would look. This is the web interface. So things that you see, learners would see on the mobile, this is what they see on their computer. Right? And let's say we created your, there's no programs here. Let's say I select one of this program, right? So there's a link, this link, and we will give you the share facility. You create this link, and from your website, people can straight come to this landing page.
Got it.
They register, they make a payment, and they can access the content. Yeah.
Cool. Anything else I need to know about this?
I think there's a lot more notifications.
Can I download the app somewhere and can I download the app somewhere and muck around with it for a while?
You can download the app from the App Store.
Okay.
Okay.
And then what is this? Oh, push notification.
Push notifications, so you can actually send the notifications to the clients.
Right.
Okay. You can add trainers. You can even schedule the notification. So let's say you are, doing a program next week. Right. And you go, it's targeted to the clients of specific programs. Let's say money, and we want to send a notification to that program, but we want to send it to people in the future. So I'm going to schedule it 7th of May at 2 p.m. I go set, save it. Now it's scheduled as a future notification. And at that date and time, it will fire up. Clients can send you support requests from the app. I think I showed you the envelope icon. Right. So all those support requests comes here. You can read what clients are asking for. Obviously, you can suspend clients as well. and any testimonials that people submit, you watch them here.
Huh. And that would feature within my account itself.
That's all within your account. So clients are submitting the testimonial from the mobile app, it comes up here. You can watch it.
Right.
If you want to upload one, you can upload, if you have a video, then you just upload the video testimonial from here. And then you can publish it on the market. And remember the leads generation, the whole referral aspect I showed you?
Yeah.
But I introduce, my friends. So this is where you see, that this client has added, 9 friends to registration, and export that to CSV and do whatever.
Nice.
You can add staff members. If you have staff members, you can give them access to the account under their own user ID and password. And you can also add your terms and conditions that people have to accept before they register into your product. For example, you might have a policy called no refunds for online programs.
Yeah.
So you just go, you basically your legal terms and conditions, you put it here. They will have on the app when they register, they will accept those terms and conditions. So there's always an electronic record that this person on this date and time accepted these terms and conditions. So you can keep it up to date from here. So
if there's any need for recourse, meaning to say like payment didn't go through, blah blah blah, whatever it is. I mean, what's that? Is there a process there?
Sorry, I can't
Like
hear
the
it.
client says, just if, for example, if some dissatisfaction that arises from use of the product.
Yeah.
What's the cause? What's the cause of action? Is there?
So if you decide to, if you decide to refund the amount to your clients, that's your choice. That happens outside Masterdojo. We don't handle refunds.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay, let me download the app. Let me muck around with it a bit.
Yeah.
But what I probably need from you is I don't know if I can also, I guess from the app I can't really do what you were doing just now with the test page.
Not with the app, no.
Kind of, yeah.
What we can do, Vasu, is
at least.
What we can do is, if you want, we can give you an account. It's like the first 30 days is a trial period.
Right.
So if you create your account, right, 30 days is a trial period, gives you a chance to play around with the whole thing. If you want to cancel it, you just let me know. We cancel your subscription. That's one way to do it. Or of course, you can download the app and look at everything from a client perspective.
Let me do that first.
Yeah.
Do that first. And today's Friday, Thursday. I'll get back to you by, let me have that whole 3 days. Tomorrow is holiday.
Yes.
Tomorrow is
Yes.
holiday in Singapore.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Is it a holiday in Australia?
No, not tomorrow. No.
Yeah. So I can do a meeting with you on Monday again, or we could just connect on Monday, and for me to say whether it's a yes or a no with regards to this.
Yeah.
Let me just say mess around with it.
Yeah.
I'm excited about it because it's actually a very. I mean, I had things in my head that I wanted to do, and I know that it will take a long time and quite a bit of money to develop it. And you presenting this to me is almost like to me it's like God sent, but I just need that time.
Yes, of course.
To muck around with it.
Yeah.
And to look at the potential that I can actually squeeze out of that. And then I'll come back to you. But Monday is a good time. Probably Monday I will trade. Monday is 4th, is it? 4th?
So Monday is 4th. Monday is 4th of May.
Yeah, maybe Tuesday, because Monday I know I've got a training session going with a full day.
I can do Tuesday. I can do Tuesday afternoon or morning. I can do morning. What works for you?
Right. Actually, Monday, if it's after Singapore time, if it's after 7 p.m. I'm good.
That'll be too late for me.
Yeah.
It'll be like 9 p.m. onwards are for me, right? let's do Tuesday morning. Can you do Tuesday?
Tuesday should be good. We fix
Okay.
it for Tuesday.
What time you are thinking?
Uh, Tuesday should be anytime. Right.
Okay.
I have training on the
How about your 9 a.m.? So Tuesday morning, your 9 a.m. and my 11 a.m.
That'd be cool. That'd be good.
All right. I'll send you the invite.
Right.
Okay. We'll keep it to
Sammy,
half
in the
an hour.
meantime, I'll just go to App Store and download
Yep.
the app.
Yep.
Right. And
Yep.
then I'll see from there.
Yep.
The app is free, right?
App is free. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just download it and walk around, mess around with it a bit. And then we meet up on Tuesday.
Yeah. Let's do that. And one thing I would recommend, Vasu, just when you download the app. So, do you have? You obviously would have your business email address.
Yeah.
I would, when you download the app, I would recommend for now, while you are playing with it, use a different email address. That might be a temporary email, Hotmail, Gmail, something like that.
Got it.
Because app will ask you to register. So use your non-business email
Got it.
on the app, because when you come to actually sign up and create your educator, like a coaching account, you would want to use your business email.
Mhm.
Yeah? That's all what I would suggest. But yeah, go for it, check it out, play around with it, do a search, see what the existing coaches are doing, what programs they've offered, how it looked, what's the experience. Okay?
So that's all I want to do.
Yeah.
At least I know where these things they can take me.
Exactly.